This video, I'm going to show you a quick way to create a coloring book page out of an image. First, you'll want to choose a picture that, has something to color, something with some nice contrast, some different areas to fill in. Once you've opened your picture, you will go up to Filter and go ahead and choose Filter Gallery. In this, it's already chosen for me. But I'm going to choose photocopy, and my screen is cut off here a little bit, but you can see that you can change the detail and the darkness. I actually have turned my detail kind of all the way up, just to pull out, as many different details as I can there. So after hitting photocopy, you would hit OK, and that would apply this here. It's created this kind of green sort of look, so I'm going to go ahead and make this image black and white. Okay, and that is going to give you that nice, it'll eliminate that color. But again, now I'm looking at this and there's really not a whole lot to color. But if you go into your layer adjustments, your image adjustments, you can just choose invert. And what that does is anything that is black is now white and vice versa. So now this gives you quite a nice, nice detailed image, lots of space to color. If yours didn't turn out quite exactly like this, you can also play around with different things such as threshold or levels. And again, adjusting that value range to get, those stark whites and deep dark black shadows that you want to create that contrast. So, happy coloring!